Welcome to part 2 of my design team project for March for Sunflowers and Dors. Using her Sunflowers and Dors digital kit you can find in her Etsy shop. These are the cutoffs from part 1. I'm going to make journaling cards with these. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut them into rectangles that fit into the journal. I'm going to use a piece of ephemera from the kit and cut that out. Rounded the corners. Then I decided to get some scrap craft paper that I had left over. I'm going to frame this image from the kit with this craft paper. Cut around that and round those corners. I also decided to round the corners of the journaling card. And I'm going to glue this image into place now. I wanted writing space on the back of the journaling card, so I cut some more craft paper to fit onto the back. Okay, this journaling card is finished, and I can paper clip this into place. Now I'll start the second journaling card. That was the cutoff from part 1 that I had left over. And I decide I want to stay with the same style and colors. So again, using this craft paper. I decided to decorate this one vertically. And because it's on the edge, I decided to only round the outside corners. And if you have paper bags, brown paper bags, or packing paper, you could use that instead of the craft paper. Again, I'm going to cut some of this craft paper to make writing space on the back of the journaling card. Okay, this one also done for now. Now until I get the flow going in this journal, I'll leave these as they are, but I may add more embellishments to them later. So I've decided this is where this is going in this journal. Thanks for watching, y'all.